What's up, everybody? I'm sitting here in my driveway. A couple weeks ago, somebody contacted me about getting some footage of my car up on the parkway. So I said, sure. It is 6:30 in the morning and I'm heading up to the Blue Ridge Parkway to do some filming of my car. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I've got an hour drive ahead of me. So a few days ago, we went up there. I met a couple guys from Creative Campfire in Waynesville, North Carolina. They do video all over the Southeast, and met those guys up there right around sunrise, which was cool. Good morning. I'm up here at Graveyard Fields up on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and the sun is rising behind me, getting ready to film some footage for a TV show. I'm not really sure what it is. I'll find out later, but it's something for PBS in North Carolina. That's all I know. They wanted a Tesla Model 3 as part of a segment on EVs. And we're going to be going back and forth quite a bit, getting the same shot over and over. And then we're going to head down into Asheville and get some more footage in some communities. So this is going to be pretty fun, I think. Let's look at this view. Wow. We went back and forth up there from Graveyard Fields to Black Balsam, getting some shots of the car passing by, some rolling shots of them in a lead car and me following. After that, we went down to Asheville from the Parkway. So that was about an hour, 45-minute drive down to the superchargers in Asheville. We got some footage there of my car being plugged in, unplugged, just to show how it works. And amazingly enough, there were no other cars there the entire time we were filming. Now we're doing some filming at the outlets at the superchargers. There's, amazingly enough, no one here. So we went from there up into the River Arts District, and I got caught at a train, which was awesome. I thought it would be a short little train, and it wasn't. It was really long. I waited about 6.5 minutes for this thing to pass. How long is this train? Come on. Finally. We're up here in North Asheville with Jake and Luke of Creative Campfire. They're doing some footage for a video, or for a, is it a TV show? Special?
It's a good question. I'm not even 100% sure
Okay.
what it is.
We're doing footage for something. Hopefully we'll be able to see it soon. Anyway, want to give these guys a shout out. Pretty awesome. You're in Waynesville?
Yep. Based
in Waynesville?
Do a lot of stuff in the southeast and all over the U.S.
All right. So after that, we drove downtown, went around some of the streets there to get some rolling shots, and then from there we went up into North Asheville near the Grove Park Inn. We went into a neighborhood up there to get some nice shots, and that was fun. There was actually a lot of traffic going around those little roads, and so we had to go around quite a few times, but still fun. It was an awesome experience. So I just wanted to show you guys how my day went, give some examples of how the dash cam looks versus a regular camera on my phone. It's actually kind of crappy, and I hope they improve the quality over time. I know the rear camera was improved through software updates, so I'm hoping they can bring out a little more color and clarity in this shot, but I can't wait to see what they're going to do with this footage. Not sure exactly what it is. It's some kind of show about electric vehicles, so that's cool. And as soon as I know something more, I will let everyone know, and it'll be awesome to see my car on TV. Take care. See you later. So I'm sitting here in my driveway recording this, and FedEx shows up, and I got something I've been waiting for. Oh, my next video. Let's get this installed.